TAS Schäfer, a family-owned company with a fine tradition. We are one of the market-leading companies in the design and manufacture of friction-locking hub-to-shaft connectors. We are developing innovative power transmission products since 1961. In-house production has been streamlined with the systematic introduction of ultra-modern CNC-controlled manufacturing centers, allowing for modern, efficient manufacturing combined with a high degree of flexibility. We manufacture exclusively in Germany and guarantee globally recognized quality made in Germany. Our efficient and customer-oriented team works to meet specific customer demands with high-quality products. True to the motto, "Your requirements are our goals." We are located in the wonderful valley of the River Ruhr, in the German state of North Rhine-Westphalia. We deliver from the heart of German industrialization to customers worldwide. Enduring customer relations are very important to us. We have offices around the world to make sure our customers get excellent services and support. Some of our products support the effort of generating power with renewable energy sources. Wind farms all over the world are running with our hydraulic or mechanic shrink discs. We are working for a cleaner future. For smooth drive, we care elsewhere. Our technological improvements in the field of shaft couplings are enabling trade and travel on the oceans, and thus support one of the foundations of the global economy. Strength and endurance are not unknown to us. Our locking assemblies and flange couplings for materials handling technology are used for extraction of important resources for our everyday life. As we know that time is money, we deliver specially designed products to test facilities for wind energy turbines. A good example of our innovative product development is our hydraulic shrink disc. Our customer-oriented design enables operators to rapidly connect and disconnect shaft gearbox connections. Assembly time is therefore reduced to a minimum. Innovation and quality are our main principles. We work for it day by day. TAS Schäfer. Quality on every continent.